Welcome in mathematics class. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.2. In our previous session, we have solved exercise 3.1. I hope you all understood that exercise and you have written all these examples in your notebook. Okay, so let us start our today's session. What do we have to learn in our today's session? We are going to learn some of the measure of exterior angles of a polygon. Now all of you know that polygon. So what is exterior angle? Look at this figure. Measure angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These angles are called as exterior angles of polygon. Now we have to calculate the sum of exterior angles. Okay. So look at here. When we know the total of these exterior angles, suppose now we are at point A. So if we move from A to B, okay, or we walk from point A to point B, then here there is a turn. So we need to turn along the measure angle 1, then walk the distance BC. Now at point C, we need to turn through an angle 2. Then walk along CD. At point D, we need to move or turn along the angle 3. Then we reach the point E. We need to move or need to turn along that angle 4. And after that, when we walk with E to A, again we reach the point at A. So from A, B, C, D, E, we complete here the total turn. Okay. So here we complete the circle. So therefore measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 plus measure angle 4 plus measure angle 5 is equal to 360 degree. Since measure of circle is 360 degree and here we turn, we complete one turn, we complete one circle. So measure of exterior, measure of sum of exterior angles is 360 degree. Okay, so students, you have to remember sum of exterior angles of polygon, sum of exterior angles of polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so using this concept, we are going to solve some examples related to interior angles and exterior angles. Here the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called as exterior angles and the angle B. Here the small a, small b, c, d, e are called as interior angle of the polygon. Okay. So let us look here. First example, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has measure of 45 degree. Okay. Read the question carefully. Find the number of sides. We have to find number of sides of a regular polygon. Now what is meant by regular polygon? Regular polygon is equilateral and equiangular, right? So we want to find number of sides of regular polygon whose each exterior angle has the measure of 45 degree. That is, measure of each exterior angle is 45 degree and we want to find here number of sides of that polygon. So here we use the fact that measure of exterior angle. Since we know that measure of exterior angle of polygon, measure of exterior angle of polygon is equal to what? 360 degree, and measure we can find number of exterior angle by using division. Measure of number of exterior angle is equal to what? 360 divided by 45 degree. Now 360 divided by 45 is? Yes, anyone? 360 divided by 45 is 8. Okay, therefore the polygon has 8 sides. Polygon has 8 sides. Right? Since number of angles is 8, the polygon also has 8 sides. Look at here. This polygon, here number of angles are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 angles. Now count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this polygon has 5 sides and 5 angles. And it is a regular polygon. So it is equilateral and equiangular. So if number of angles are 8, then number of sides are also 8 here. Okay. So this is very simple example. Now exercise 3.2. Okay. Let us start. Look at here first example. Here we have given one figure. This is a polygon and measure of exterior angle here 125 degree, 125 degree and here x degree. So here we want to find measure of this third angle which is unknown, x degree. So how can we find? Yes, using the same concept. Measure of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Measure of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Sum of measure of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. So we can here sum all the exterior angle, that is 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now 125 plus 125 is? Yes, 250. 250 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now how can we find x? Yes, 360 minus 250. So therefore value of x is equal to what? 360 minus 250. That is 110. So that means measure of that angle x is 110 degree. So how can we find this? Using the fact that sum of all measures of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Second example. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Remember the word regular polygon. Regular polygon is equilateral and equiangular. That is number of sides are the polygon having same sides and same angles. Find the measure of each exterior angle. We want to find measure of exterior angle of regular polygon of first one is 9 sides and second one is 15 sides. Okay. So we want to find here now measure of each exterior angle. Okay. Now if it is a regular polygon, okay, if it is a regular polygon means what? Polygon having same number of sides and same number of angles, right? So if the polygon having 9 sides, then it has 9 angles, right? If the polygon having 9 sides, then it has 9 angles. If interior angles are 9, then also exterior angles are 9, right? So from using number of sides, we can easily find out the measure of each exterior angle. Since here regular polygon having 9 sides, it has 9 exterior angles. Okay, the polygon has 9 exterior angles and sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. So from this we can easily find out measure of exterior angle. Okay, so here you have to write sum of measure of exterior angle is 360 degree. It's very important statement. Okay, you have to write this. Sum of measure of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Here number of sides is equal to 9 exterior angles. Number of exterior angles, which is same as number of interior angles. Number of sides is equal to number of interior angles is equal to number of exterior angles. So therefore measure of exterior angle, is equal to what? 360 divided by 9. 360 divided by 9. So that is 40. Okay. So that means measure of exterior angle of a polygon having 9 sides is equal to 40 degree. So from this also second example is 15 sides. That means you have to find measure of exterior angle having 15 sides. So as like first one, you can solve this example. Since here sides are 15, number of interior and number of exterior angles are also 15, and sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. So 360 divided by 15, you get measure of exterior angle. Okay, so this one is very simple example. Okay students, do you understood this? Yes. Now go for the third example here. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? It is same like example number 2. Okay, here we find measure of exterior angle and here we have to find number of sides. Right? How many sides does a regular polygon is equilateral, equiangular, right? Have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. That is measure of each exterior angle is 24 degree and sum of measure is equal to 360 degree. So you can find number of angles from this using division. Yes. Let us look here. We have given that measure of each exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree and sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. If sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree and measure of each exterior angle is 24 degree. So from this we can easily find out number of exterior angles. Using division method, which is equal to 360 divided by 15. Now you have to calculate this. 360 divided by 24. 360 divided by 24. Here, what will be the division? 360 divided by 24, it's 15. Okay. So, number of exterior angle is equal to what? 15. So, number of exterior angles, number of interior angles is equal to number of sides. Why? Since it is a regular polygon. So number of angles is equal to number of sides. So therefore number of sides of this polygon, is equal to 15. Okay. So using only sum of exterior angles, we can find number of exterior angles, number of interior angles, also number of sides of regular polygon. Okay. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Now this is about interior angle of regular polygon. Okay. How many sides? We have to find number of sides of regular polygon if each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Now tell me, what is the sum of interior angle of regular polygon? Yes, we have learned this in our previous session. Okay, in exercise 3.1. Now sum of interior angle, sum of interior angle of regular or polygon, sum of interior angle of polygon of side A of side N is equal to what? Yes, N minus 2 into 180. Okay. Now sum of interior angle of polygon or having A side is equal to N minus 2 into 180. Okay. That as the sum of measure of all exterior angle is 180 degree. Same sum of interior angle of polygon having A side is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. And here we have given that each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Okay. So if the sum of interior angle of side A, that means the polygon having n sides, then sum of its interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 degree. That means measure of each interior angle is equal to what? Therefore, measure of each interior angle is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Since polygon having n sides, if it is a regular polygon, so if number of sides are n, then number of angles is also n. So that means this polygon having n interior angles, and sum of all interior angles is n minus 2 into 180. Therefore, measure of each interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. And here we have given that each measure of each interior angle is 165 degree. So, using this linear equation, we can find out measure of or how many sides of that regular polygon has. Okay. So, we can write this as n minus 2 into 180 divided by n is equal to 165 degree. Okay. Since this is what? This is measure of each interior angle. And here they given that measure of each interior angle is 165 degree. So, by solving this equation, we can get the value of n. And n is what? n is number of sides of that polygon. n is number of sides of that polygon. Okay. So, can you try to solve this? Yes, we have solved this in our previous chapter. Okay. So, here first we take cross multiplication. That is n minus 2 into 180 is equal to what? 165 into n. n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 165 into n. Just taking cross multiplication. Now multiply 180 with this bracket. We get here 180n minus 180 into 2. That is 360 is equal to 165n. Okay. Now here it is a linear equation. So how can we solve this? Just taking all the variables in one side and the numbers on the other side. So transpose this 165 into this side. So 180n minus 165n is equal to what? 360 transpose this 360 to right hand side. So it becomes positive. Okay. So 180 minus 165. 180 minus 165 is 50. Right? 50n is equal to 360. So that is value of n is equal to what? Dividing both sides by 50. 360 divided by 50. So value of n is equal to what? 24. Okay. But n is what? n is number of sides of that polygon. So we can write here answer. Therefore, number of sides of regular polygon We solve this. We solve in angle of interior angle concept in our previous session. Yes. Sum of interior angle of polygon having n side is n minus 2 into 180. Remember this formula. This is very important. Since sum of all interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 having n sides. So measure of each interior angle, since number of sides are a, number of angles are also n. So measure of each interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So this is very important part of this example. All of you understood? Yes. Now last example is, it is possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior as 22 degree. Okay. Read again. It is possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. That is, if the measure of exterior angle is 22 degree, then we can draw the polygon having exterior angle. Each exterior angle is 22 degree. Just verify it. How can we verify it? Since we know that sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. Sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay. So here I write sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, and if measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree, then we can find out number of angles, number of exterior angles from this. Number of exterior angles is equal to what? 360 divided by 22. Since sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree and measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. So number of exterior angle is equal to what? 360 divided by 22. But 360, but it is not divisible. 360 is not divisible by 22, or 360 is not multiple of 22. Okay, here we get, after this division, here we get some fraction. Okay, we does not get any whole number. That means 360 is not divisible by 22, or 360 is not multiple of 22. So therefore it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. Okay, since 360 is not multiple of 22, okay, it is not possible to form a regular polygon having exterior angle is 22 degree. Okay. Second question is what? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? That means 22 degree. It is possible that 22 degree is an interior angle of a polygon. How can we solve this? If interior angle is 22 degree, now what is the sum of all interior angle? N minus 2 into 180, right? Sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles of side n, that means a polygon having n side, then sum of all interior angle is what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. So how can we find measure of each interior angle? Yes, so therefore measure of each interior angle, measure of each interior angle is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Since this polygon having n number of angles. measure 22 degree, then can we form a regular polygon with interior angle is 22 degree? Yes. So that means we match this n minus 2 into 180 divided by n is equal to 22. Okay. Just we find here. So n minus 2 into 180 is equal to here 22n. Taking cross multiplication as like previous, right? So multiply 180 with that is n. We get here 180n minus 360 is equal to 22n. 180n minus 360 is equal to 22n. So just try to solve this. 180n minus 22n is equal to 360, right? We transposing n on left hand side and 360 on right hand side. Okay. So now 180 minus 22. So how much? 158, right? So 158n is equal to 360. Now what is the value of n? N is equal to 360 divided by 158. Now 360 is not divisible by 158 since here we get a fraction and n is what? N be the number of sides of a polygon. N be the number of sides of the polygon and sides are not in the fraction. Sides are not fraction. Okay, sides are whole number. Okay, sides of any of the figure or number of sides. We can write number of sides in whole number and here we get fraction. So this means it is a contradiction with the fact that 22, the angle, interior angle 22 degree is not possible for a regular polygon. So we cannot form or it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each interior angle is 22 degrees. Since here we get contradiction with the fact that we get n is equal to, that is number of sides is equal to fraction. Okay. So from this example 22 degree is not a exterior angle or also interior angle for any of the regular polygon. Okay students, so you understood this. So in our today's session we have completed exercise 3.2 up to example number 5. Now some of the examples are remaining, so we can solve this example in our next session. So you have to